Nestled in Lake Oswego's desirable Palisades neighborhood, this beautifully updated single-level home sits on a quiet, tree-lined street on an expansive private lot. Enjoy a perfect blend of recreation options and convenience, living just moments from golf courses, top-rated schools, shopping, and dining. Discover an inviting interior with gracious living spaces, including a sunken living room with vaulted ceilings and a classic wood-burning fireplace, ideal for cozy evenings. A second family room adds comfort and flexibility with custom built-ins and a gas fireplace for easy living. The remodeled kitchen showcases granite countertops, white maple cabinetry, a gas range, stainless steel appliances, and a dining nook with built-ins. The spacious primary suite provides a peaceful retreat with a soaking tub and generous closet space. While 2 additional bedrooms and an updated bath and laundry room complete this home of nearly 2,000 square feet. Outside, the expansive fenced backyard offers space for entertaining, gardening, or simply relaxing in privacy. Recent upgrades include new carpet, a newer furnace and AC, and a brand new roof and gutters. Move in ready from day one. Close to the optional Green Tree Pool, Lake Oswego's new recreation center, and local favorites like New Seasons and Whole Foods, this home perfectly combines craftsmanship, comfort, and location. For more information, please contact Chris Olson with Premier Property Group.